Hi, this is a marvelous Maggie's Recipe Show. Join me while I'll make chocolate chip cookies. Start by pulling your hair back and putting on an apron. Always wash your hands. Okay, let's see. You'll need a wooden spoon to do stirring. Today we'll need these ingredients. 2 2/3 cups of butter melted.
It's only 2/3.
2/3 cups of butter melted. 2 cups brown sugar. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons of hot water. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2/3 cups of flour. 2 2/3 of flour. Then 1 bag of chocolate chips. Okay, let's begin. Alright guys, welcome back. First, we're gonna add brown sugar to our bowl. Next, let's add the melted butter. Then we have the eggs to put in. Be careful when you crack them, don't get shelled. Then stir it. Alright, that's good. Next, we're gonna add our baking powder. So 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Alright, then 1 teaspoon of 375. Woo! That is a lot of work. Okay. Next, add all the chocolate chips.
Ooh, those are tasty.
Those are really good. Now stir it up. Whew, that was very tired. But now, don't forget, you need to add the parchment paper to your pan or whatever you're using to put in the oven. This is why we washed our hands. So you're gonna take a spoon, fill it up with some of the dough, and then you're gonna flip it upside down, use your other finger and scrape it off. Alright, we might have to time lapse this, so go ahead.
Okay. Type off.
Always have adult supervision to help you push it in. Alright, in the meanwhile, let's set a timer for 8 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes! 3, 2, 1, go! Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes.
Second timer, 8 minutes, starting now.
Make sure you lay something down on the table. Here we're using a beach towel because no one likes